Video 18. Change the objects of Allplan. In this video, I will introduce you to change some objects on the ground floor of the project. View the operations performed on the display screen. Change the object to add or remove areas that need to be shown on the second floor plan for the project. Changing the Level 2 object to the following areas: garages and toilets into common room, living room and pool into the bedroom, kitchen into the bedroom. View the operations performed on the display screen. Change text and change pitch for object. Please look forward to the next video that introduces the format attributes in Allplan.